Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna be doing weekly analysis and we're gonna be looking at NASDAQ 100. What's happening on NASDAQ 100? We're gonna start on a higher time frame, weekly time frame. Where was my highest touch? This was my highest resistance touch and lowest touch currently, and we had downtrend here where the market break the trend and then started forming higher highs and higher lows after the double bottom formed here down at the bottom here. Okay, and now we can say that on weekly the market is going up, the market is on an uptrend. Okay, we're gonna move to daily time frame. What's happening on daily time frame? What can we conclude on daily time frame? On daily time frame, as you can see, the market is moving up with the higher highs and higher lows. There's not much to conclude, except for there is this high here that we must take into consideration when you're trading in NASDAQ. There's 1368.0 to be taken into consideration. It can be used as a resistance, so must take that into consideration. And moving to 4 hour, because that's all I can see on daily. Moving to 4 hours, what can I conclude on 4 hours? On 4 hours, I see the market here where it is right now, because I want to get more closer. I want entries. There is this high here. This is the last high the market made here, and when it made this high, the market came, break this high, retest this level, and tested this level, and came back and closed inside here. So what can we conclude here about 100? I'm gonna go to 30 minutes time frame for entries. 30 minutes time frame for entries. Yeah, it's gonna go like this. When the market opens, I want to see the market either coming back here on this level, retest it, and then give me some candles confirmation there, and then go down. And again, remember, going down this level here, we're gonna go back to, let me go back to 4 hour and get the trend line. Okay, I must have a trend line. Okay, here we go. For you to have a trend line, you must have 1, 2 touches, and you can predict the fourth touch. So here we go, we have 1, 2, and then this was our third touch. 1, 2, third touch, where the market bounced and then went up. So here we are also on the resistance. So now we can conclude that the market, when the market opens, the market is gonna come. When the market opens, it's gonna come back, retest this level, and go down again. Or if the market comes back again up here, we can expect the market to break this level, break out and retest, give us a candles confirmation. It's gonna give us bullish engulfings or morning stars, any candle formation that you can get, and the next stop will be counting for 13,680. That will be around there. So this is all about, if you are taking entries on the NAS100, consider breakout and retest, and here double top or bearish engulfing, any kind of patterns that you use that will be formed, used for confirmation. And the first stop can be here, and if the market breaks on, gonna continue with or it's gonna obviously make breakout and retest and then continue to go down. But for now, this is what you can look for on NASDAQ, on NAS100. And we're gonna move on to US30. Okay, now moving to US30, Dow Jones. Now moving to Dow Jones Industrial. Now, what's happening on US30? What I see here on weekly, I start on a higher time frames all the time. I see my highest touch was here. This is where the highest market went, and bottom here, and then the market had touches here until the market came back and touched this level again here. And here where we are, we also have 1, 2, and this was also our third touch where the market failed here. So this is what I see on weekly. And also this resistant up here. I'm gonna take it into consideration. Okay, and going to daily time frame. I'm gonna go to daily time frame. See, what do I see here on a daily time frame? What's going on a daily time frame? As you can see, there's nothing much that has changed on a daily time frame. The market was going up, and this was another small trend. That was a daily trend going down and going up. And where we are right now, what can we say about the market? We have, okay, 1 2 3. This was our third touch, where we can expect the market to okay, what can you say? Okay. Now the market, since the market has been, now it's going up, we can go to H4 because there's no much info on daily here. So what I want to say, it's okay, yes, it's on the, so since the market has come here, back here on this level, there was this level here, there was this was the last low here. Must take that into consideration. This was the last low formed when the market was going up. The market US30 came and broke it, and then came back and closed inside. So after closing inside, what can we say? To be on the safer side, taking entries here, it won't take long from it to move from here to here. So for buy entries, I want the market to either come back here and bounce and then start going up. So if it start going up, it's gonna be finishing this setup, this falling setup that it has made here, and then obviously it's gonna bounce back and continue to go up. But failing to do so, the market will obviously come back to this level and break out here. So break out here, this is where you can start considering taking the sales. After the breakout here, the market may play a little bit around here, may play a little bit, but that's when surely it's gonna come down, and then the next stop will be this support here. But for now, what we can look for, it's one of these possible scenarios. For buying the market, there's a possibility the market can bounce back to this support here, bounce back to this support, use it as a support again, and then continue to go up, or continue to go up instantly after opening, bounce here again, and then make a retest and then continue to go up. Or another possible scenario, the market may come back down here since it broken this last support here. Remember that if the market is going up and break the last support, it may indicate the change of trend. There is a video about that here on my YouTube channel that you can watch. So if it comes back here, that's when I'm gonna be considering continuing with the sales, taking the sales, going down with it to 31643. And this is all about Dow Jones. Remember, you take your entries on 30 minutes. You take your entries on 30 minutes to be on the safer side, and always use your stop loss. Always use your stop loss when trading. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and